Coming in at number 9, we have senior care services. With more and more sickness going around, and with nursing homes overcrowded, senior care services are becoming more popular and pay quite well. Whether you actually take care of seniors, like giving them baths and such, or taking them to the doctor, or cooking for them, or even all of the above, these all seem to pay pretty well. So if you can tolerate the grouchiness of a lot of old people on the day-to-day basis, then this is the perfect business for you. Coming in at number 10, we have Gourment Coffee. While you may think small independent coffee shops serving espressos, lattes, and cappuccinos can't survive considering companies like Starbucks exists, you're entirely wrong. There is plenty of demand for everyone to make money. In fact, the percentage of specialty coffee drinkers rose from only 14% to 41% between 2001 and 2017, leaving enough money to be made for everyone. Coming in at number 11, we have Faculty Support Services. Faculty Support Services does it all when it comes to a business, from cleaning to security, to building maintenance, painting, you name it. So if you have skills in maintenance or construction, then this is a great opportunity considering businesses pay pretty decent for this type of work. And the industry is expected to grow by 13.6% from 2017 to 2024. Coming in at number 12, we have food trucks. Food trucks are becoming more and more popular and grew 6.8% from 2014 to 2019. This is mostly because there can be a food truck for almost any type of person. A lot of successful food trucks serve stuff like vegetarian meals that you simply can't get at your regular brick and mortar fast food chain. So if you enjoy coming up with crazy food ideas and you like cooking, this is the way to go.